Is it possible to watch ads for money? You may be surprised to learn that there's an entire internet subculture devoted to getting paid to watch ads. Some people even buy extra phones and laptops so they can run ads continuously on multiple devices. But you don't need to be that committed to earn $2 every minute by watching ads. It's possible to earn a little bit of extra money or a free gift card here and there by watching ads on your computer or phone in your free time. In some cases, you can even do this while getting work done, by letting the videos play in the background. With this amazing opportunity comes a ton of scammy and time-wasting websites out there, but today, we'll be looking at one with tons of daily available offers, 0 country restrictions, and a quick withdrawal using PayPal or bank transfers. With that said, I'm going to take you through how exactly you can earn $2 every minute by watching ads. But all that I'm going to say today, I wouldn't want you missing any significant information on what is basically a free method on how to earn $2 every minute by watching ads. Right here, you can see that there are 4 distinct segments that can get you paid on this site. For one, we have playing of games. You can likewise compose and complete surveys on specific items if you better fancy that. There's also the means of cashbacks and coupons through online shopping. And then there's watching video advertisements. I think this is the best technique for amateurs, but don't forget that I have a few hints for you later on this video. Now let's head over to the homepage. You can do this in any gadget like. That's including your desktop, mobile phones, or tablets. I have confidence that this works in any country on the planet, with no cash investment required either. Landing on the homepage of this site, you're met with the links to their mobile app, either on the App Store or Play Store. The name of this platform is Paidwork. You can visit it at paidwork.com. Scrolling down here, we see that Paidwork claims to be the best platform for turning in your precious time into money. With benefits such as a solution-based no flexibility, Paidwork can be a full-time or additional job for people all over the world. As long as you have internet connection and a device, you're good to begin your journey to earn $2 every minute by watching ads on this platform. Once again, you get the chance to select how exactly you want to earn money on Paidwork. Playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. The major reason why people might not seem to earn a lot with amazing sites like this is the fact that people tend to search for jobs that would pay you $100 for every video you watch. I can, in all honesty, tell you that tasks like that are near impossible to come by. Rather, try to focus on building a massive fortune from the little $1 and $2 you'd be making from each task, and you would see yourself earning up to $150 every month. This is done on Paidwork without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is no limit to your earnings. You decide how much you earn. Just take out your phone with a good internet connection, log on to paidwork.com, and begin to earn $2 every minute by watching ads. If you want some more information on how to make money online doing any of these tasks, you can head over to this tab at the top that says, How It Works. Right here, just slowly scroll down to see how you can select a method of earning, how to start earning off your selected method, and get paid by the admins. Still looking for more details on how it works? Check out the Resources tab by clicking on the See More button and exploring this page. Assuming you want to pursue a free account, all you have to do is click on the blue button at the top right that says Registration, and you will be presented this page where you can sign up. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. You can begin by using either your existing Google or Microsoft account to sign in, or filling in your email address and password. Following that, click on the blue Next Step button. You would be brought to a page where you can fill in your first and last name, and then your gender. Hit Registration, and you will be taken to your dashboard. I'm going to log into my own Paidwork account now, since I already have an account. On the dashboard up here is where you would see all your earnings on this platform. Currently, I have up to $232 on Paidwork, with a withdrawn amount of $300 to PayPal last month. This month, I've made $208, $46 this week, $15 only yesterday, and $11 today, all by watching ads. Yours might look a bit different since you're only beginning, but just relax and remember what I said about starting small and letting the dollars pile up. When you begin bringing in cash, it will appear here on top of your dashboard. So right now, I want you to go over to the left-hand bar of the screen and select Earn. Over here, you can see the different methods to make money online with Paidwork, all of which I showed you before earlier in the video. Now, since we are looking for how to earn $2 every minute by watching ads, we would come over here to click on the Watch Videos tab. Tap on the green button that says Earn, and you would be directed to this page over here. Currently, I only have an ad watch offer from Fiverr, since I have completed many others before this video. Now, Fiverr is a platform that offers creators of mobile apps some new strategies for the monetization of their products. Typically, Fiverr, or now also called Digital Turbine, is a one-stop platform for user acquisition growth and monetization. This company deals with all forms of the mobile advertising experience. They work with app developers, brands, agencies, and even telecom to drive awareness, acquisition, and monetization of advertiser products to a targeted audience across mobile devices. This little explanation of Fiverr was to let you know why I wouldn't be able to carry out this task in this video. I overemphasized the need for a strictly mobile device to be able to engage with Fiverr video ads, as that is how they operate. Heading back to the site to click on this Fiverr button, we see that the monetization method for this method is available only on the iOS or Android mobile devices. You can just tap on either on these available buttons to get the app on your mobile phone and start earning money with Fiverr right away. Here we see that Paidwork has a total of over 5 million downloads on the Play Store. Obviously, 5 million people can't be wrong for using this app to earn $2 every minute by watching ads. We also see that the mobile version of Paidwork would help you measure your earnings efficiently. It also displays the different ways to make money on the app, so you know that feature isn't only limited to the web version. You can make instant withdrawals on the app without any fees. You can also control your actions by tracking your everyday analytics. And you can as well invite your friends to earn money on the platform and make some money yourself in the process as well. So go ahead to sign up on this platform now and start earning big.